Ayaw mo pa rin baguhin. Anak, baka lumang strategy na yan ha. Let me tell you about Sherlyn and Earl, a couple who run a small catering business. So for years, they've been doing everything they know. Flyers, referrals, joining bazaars, and giving discounts. Pero lately, napansin ni Sherlyn na kahit napagod na sila sa kakapromote, parang wala pa ring mga bagong customers. So sabi niya, Earl, baka may mali sa ginagawa natin. At sabi naman ni Earl, di ba ganito naman ang ginagawa natin dati pa? It used to work. Nako, that's the thing, anak. What used to work before may not work now. So we looked deeper into their marketing and we found out that they were focusing too much on promotions. Pero hindi nila naintindihan kung kanino sila talagang nagmamarket. Instead of trying to please everyone, they decided to focus on one clear group, offices that needed reliable lunch catering. So hininto na nila yung pag-offer ng random discounts and instead they made simple changes. From consistent menus, clear packages to quick online ordering. Kaya after 1 month, bumalik ang mga regular customers nila. Mas klaro ang message nila at mas madali silang nakabenta. So Sherlyn said, I realized, Mommy N, that we did not need to do more. We just needed to do better. Anak, ang lesson dito is this. Sometimes your marketing does not need a full reset. It just needs a review. Kaya observe, learn, and adjust. Huwag matakot to stop what is no longer working. Tandaan natin, small tweaks can lead to big growth. That's how to be business-minded, Pinoy.